Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new, today I'm reviewing and installing this wig from Nadula Hair. They sent over this kinky texture, like red brownish wig. It is like a straight kinky texture and it is a lace frontal. I believe it's 13 by 4 or 13 by 6. It'll be in my description box below. I'm using this tinted lace mousse that I got from Ebin. This one is like their, I think, medium brown shade, but they have a bunch of different colors in case you guys want to try this product out. And then I'll have it linked in my description bar below with a discount code so you guys can save on your purchase. So I am just spreading that out with like a little cotton round because I don't want it to get on my hands because it will leave a tint on your hands. It will come out if you wash it, but it will leave a tint on your fingers. So I went ahead and tinted the lace, and this is what it looks like once I get the wig put on my head. And I didn't have to add any additional lace tint spray to this lace after using this mousse, so that should be your sign to try out this wig. So as you guys saw at the beginning, I'm going to do like a basic bust down middle part, and I'm just going to work on getting the roots a little bit more flat so it won't look super big and puffy. I'm also going to straighten out the hair. I'm going to lay the lace, do a couple of baby hairs, you know, just your original usual wig installation process. So I'm not going to talk too much throughout the installation process. I'm going to let you guys just kind of sit back and enjoy this process. And if you have any questions, leave them in my comment section and I will let you guys know. But most of the products that I am using, not even most, all the products I'm using, I'll list them in my description bar so you guys know exactly what I use. Now I will be quiet and let you guys sit back and enjoy this installation process. I will chime back in. So I've pretty much gotten the whole wig installed. I love how my baby hairs came out today. Those two little swoops came out real good. Also, FYI, because I didn't mention that at the beginning, I did pluck this unit on my wig head. It didn't come like super plucked out, so I plucked it out a little more to how I wanted it. And the hair also straightened out really good. I didn't have any shedding, any tangling. Amazing quality hair. Nadula usually has really good quality hair, so shout out to them. This is what the back shot of it looks like. Looks very straight, very textured. We love it, and it's super full. I added a little bit of makeup to that parting space. You can see how far back it goes. Nice long parting space. This hair was giving, okay? Like, I love this color. You are fall ready if you get this color. Keep in mind, you guys, this is a human hair wig, so you do not have to wear this hair straight. You can curl it, you can crimp it, you can style it how you want, honestly. But you know your girl, she loves a good middle part, and I love some texture. So it came out amazing. I love this unit, and I would definitely be wearing her again. So follow me over on Instagram and TikTok so you can see some more footage of this unit. Thank you to Nadula Hair for sending this wig over. Thank you guys for watching. And if you have any questions, like I said, leave them in my comment section. Also, if you're interested in this wig, the link will be right below in my description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.